Wolves 0, Arsenal 2. Absolutely brilliant today. Once again, another 3 points on the board and top of the league by 5 points to a Manchester City side with 5 points clear. And we're not 3-4 games into the season. We're now 14, 15 games into the season. It's absolutely brilliant. Everyone to a man at Arsenal, including the fan base, should just salute themselves because it's been brilliant. The atmosphere, everything. So now we're going to talk about the game. I think the first half, very difficult. Granit Xhaka has been an important part of this side. So to lose him a minute and a half into a game is really difficult. And Fabio came on. Very good in the second half. In the first half, couldn't really get into the game. He wasn't allowing himself to be as free as you would want him to play. He wasn't getting in behind the defence enough and taking a man on. But we did get one shining light through that first half, and it was Gabriel Jesus. Any other day, he could have scored 2 or 3. Just a little bit of luck, and he gets one. And once he gets one, he'll go back on that streak. He's absolute quality. He was such a pest again for defenders. They didn't want to play against him. I don't think anyone would want to play against him at the moment. The quality, his little touches, so difficult to get the ball off of him. But really, for the first half, there's not too much more to speak about. Going into the second half, we started the first 5 minutes very similar, a little bit lacklustre. And then all of a sudden in the midfield, Martinelli makes a run across and he puts a little bit of Brazilian flair into the game. And Wolves didn't know how to counter that. And very soon after, Gabriel Jesus, quality. Little pass, opens the whole defence up. Brilliant run from Fabio Vieira, I must say. And Fabio just plays the ball nicely across the goal. And Ødegaard's there. Ødegaard had a brilliant game today. I think he showed in his second goal why he's the captain. The composure. You've got a goalkeeper flapping in front of you. You've got 2 defenders moving. And you just take your time and you slot it bottom corner. It's brilliant from him. And once we went 2-0 up, I must say, Bukayo Saka really come into the game. He gave us an outlet because at points with Adama Traore's pace and Guedes, they did look like they could have had an opportunity, Wolves, to get back in the game and make it 2-1. But Saka really, really controlled the game. He would take a man on. He would hold the ball. And every time he made a pass, it was the right pass. And it really got us through a sticky 5 minutes after we went 2-0 up. And it's just brilliant. Such a professional performance from the team. It's like watching Arsenal of old. I remember a couple of years ago, we'd go in front and a team would come at us. We'd concede and we'd just completely capitulate. That is not this team. And I think that is why we have a really, really good chance of challenging City for this title. And I think at the moment, why call ourselves the underdogs? I think we've got every ability to go on and win this league. I think, obviously, we all know in January, add 2 or 3 to this team and sky's the limit. The sky is the limit with this team. We've got a young manager, a young team, all hungry. The fans hungry. And let's just push on. Now, the boys who are going to the World Cup, good luck for your respective countries and all come back safe, please. Because West Ham at home, 26th of December, we're ready and we won't stop here. We're going all the way. Come on, Arsenal.